How to add product categories on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add product categories on a Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Wix website. Now, this is our main dashboard, but you can simply click on edit website and it will take you to your website that you're creating. Now, if you have a store on your website on Wix, then you will be able to edit and create product categories. Now, this is our store. I'm going to click on manage products. Then we have the store product option right here. And the third option is going to be collection. Now, collection is the different categories we can create on Wix website, and we will be able to divide our products. So I'm going to click on this plus icon right here and it will allow me to create a new collection. I'm going to give my collection a name. Let's call it sale. Now we can add products by clicking right here. It will allow us to select from different products that are listed on our website. So I'm going to select the products that are on sale. Click on add and these products will be added right here. Now this is the name of the collection. I can add an image as well. Click on save and a new category will be created. Similarly, I can create another one by just clicking right here and calling it new arrival. Click on add products, select the products, click on add and you have a new category. So this is how you add product categories on Wix. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.